Hello, lovelies. It is time for me to open my September Elves box. It arrived on my front door 3 minutes ago, and I pretty much ran straight for the camera as soon as I had it in my hands. It arrived packed in the usual, whoops, noise, come on, in the usual stuff. This is not actually the one it was wrapped in. I dropped that when I yanked it off. But it arrived wrapped in that. And the first thing I noticed when the box arrived was this big old water-looking stain. So I'm a little bit nervous about opening it this time. We'll see what condition the insides are in. I've had problems in the past with Sophie and Toffee orders, but it was never one of the subscription boxes. But they do have good customer service, so like I'm nervous in the sense that, oh no, I can't play with it right away, but I can probably get them to fix whatever went wrong. So let's find out what's inside. That would be a big leaky mess. We definitely have a leaky mess. Sad about that. Okay. Oh, Japan Mania. Right. I was excited about this. Oh, water shaker charm. All right. So this was more likely oil than resin that leaked. That's good since I didn't put on gloves. So let's find out. Oops, that's interesting. So we've got a checklist, which is readable despite the water staining, oil staining on there. Hope it's oil staining. It doesn't smell like resin. Resin does have a smell to it. So here we go. Well, whatever leaked definitely got that pretty thoroughly. Here we go. Yeah. So this bottle, how do I hold it so you can actually see? There's quite a bit missing from food grade shaker oil bottle clear. Yeah, it's quite a bit lower than the blue one. All right, so doing this in order. UV resin. UV resin, here we go. UV resin, 15 grams. So I've got yet more UV resin. I need to use more resin. I have not been doing as much with it lately as I have. So blue shaker oil, clear shaker oil, which is the one that leaked in my package. By the way, if any of you are subscribers and you are also getting these packages, let me know if yours leaked too, because sometimes it's like a consistent packaging problem, and sometimes it's just I was not lucky. 48 glitter set. That's exciting words to see all in one place. That's this. Ooh, okay, yeah, the leaking oil went downward. Fortunately, everything is really well packaged, so it's like wipe off things, and they should be fine. Check that out. 48 glitters. And there is oil on the packaging that I'm going to have to wipe off. I don't have a tissue handy right now, so I'm not going to open this up to show you. But I've got some big glitter, some fine glitter, some really chunky stuff, some stuff that looks like it would be good for making opal effects. Stars, lots of stars, a couple hearts, some hexies over here. Yeah, ooh, and some little micro ball things. Those are fun. But yeah, there's oil all over the outside of this, so I'm not going to open it any further. Japanese style resin film. Japanese style resin film. So this is going to be a clear film. The outside of this, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you probably can. This is totally covered in the leaked oil. So this is wiped down, and I might have to clean it somehow, but it should work really nicely even if it's got some oil on it. It'll still go in the resin, okay. Let's see here. Mount Fuji silicone mold. Oh, here we go. It is a mountain-shaped mold. Oh, so it's got the little top, and it's got that going on. And I can do fun things with that. That's really cute. And it's a shape I didn't have before. Fortune Cat. I saw that. Fortune Cat silicone mold. That's right here. Let's see here. Tilt, tilt, tilt. Oh, no, we can't get a good shot. All right. I might regret this. We might get oil on the mold because of this, but I want a better look. Ooh, okay, yeah, there's so much oil on this, I'm going to have to clean it off before I can open it. Ha! But there we go. And it looks like I can do some sort of shaped thing going on with this. It looks like it's a two-part mold. Silicone goldfish. Here we go. So I've got, oh yeah, 3D nail. So I've actually got a bunch of molds from this brand already. I may even have this shape already. It's got 5 different size goldfish from like pinky nail to incredibly tiny. And these are great little include pieces. I've worked with this type of mold before. This is really nice to get. I love this brand. Let's see here. UV torch. That's probably going to be this. And I'm assuming torch here is British. It's for, yes, UV flashlight. Oh, and it has a little ring thing I can attach somehow to right there. There's a little hole so I can reattach that. Didn't come with batteries, so I don't know. Probably needs, what do we need in here? That looks like it's probably going to take AAA batteries. Give it a better look later. Maybe AA, maybe AAA. I've got those around somewhere. I've seen people using other flashlights from Sophie and Toffee. This will probably be very good quality. 2 heart shakers. Excellent. So heart shaker 1 and heart shaker 2. This one got hit by the oil pretty bad. It was right in the center of the box. This one's off to the corner, so it's okay. Shaker oil syringe. Ooh, that's fancy. That's kind of scary looking. I mean, if you have needle phobia, look away right now, because that actually looks like it might be medical grade. Yeah, it's like discard after use and stuff. Needle phobia, be careful opening this box. Bells and findings. That would be bells. This bag is very covered in oil as well. So I've got some jump rings. Looks like I can build a chain of whatever length I want. I've got 2 keychains and I've got a couple bells. So, I mean, there's definitely a set project idea here. 2 or 3 different project ideas that are pretty nicely set up. Good assortment. The bottle leaked, like I said. Looks like I lost... Okay, I'm going to hold this. There's no good way for me to tilt this so that you can see it with the way the camera's set up, so sorry about that. I'm going to have to, like, hold these kind of? No. Like, that's so tilted it really doesn't give me a good impression. Okay. I lost about 1 centimeter of contents out of this, and so, like, it should be about there compared to the blue one, and it's down about here. Which made an impressive mess, so when you're working with this stuff, if you're working with shaker oil, my goodness, it's going to go everywhere. So overall, great items. I'm disappointed the one thing leaked. I'll be messaging Sophie and Toffee about that. And I'll update, I don't know, in the comments or something, what their response is. But they're usually really good on the customer service if something leaks. I've had problems with, about a year ago, I had problems with a couple things, and they were super good about it. Yeah, so great box. Fun theme, because I like Japanese theme stuff, and I take a lot of what I make to sell at AnimeCon, so that's good fit. And I think the October box, which won't arrive until November, sadness cry, is going to have Halloween stuff. So I am super excited about that because Halloween. But for now, I will get back to